I'm going to show you how to remove the radio CD player from Ford Mustang 2012, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is the 8mm socket plus this yellow dashboard removal tool. The removal is very simple. The first thing you need to do, you pop out the center console cover. And these are the clips. It just pops out. Now I just will try open the center console, and then there is one plug for the hazard switch which you need to disconnect. But before you do that, you put the car in neutral so you can remove the center console. Here you go, and this is the plug for the hazard switch. And then you can put it on the side, and then there are two 8mm screws underneath the radio console. You remove those, and then you can pop the AC unit and the radio face all together as one unit, and then it doesn't have any, it only has one plug, and that's it. And then you can see the mounting screws for the radio CD player. There are 4 screws, 8mm too. Once you remove those 4, and then you can pull the radio out and just disconnect the. These are the plug for the back of the unit, and the plugs are so short, so you cannot pull the radio out in order to disconnect it. When the radio is inside the cavity, you need to insert your hand in there and then unplug the unit. And as you can see, these are the clips that you have to push in order to release the plugs. So because since you cannot see the plugs when you're removing it, just put your hand behind the radio and just push those clips down and just disconnect the connectors from the back of the radio. And if you need any repair for the radio, the CD player, or the display, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. Thank you.